Welcome back to U.S. Army Zone, the channel where power, precision, and performance meet the future. Today we dive deep into the breathtaking world of supercars with a machine that has already turned digital design into a dream of speed and elegance, the 2025 AiredInk ZYROSIMO. A car that looks like it came straight out of the future, blending hypercar performance, track precision, and exotic styling into one of the most striking automotive visions ever imagined. Whether you are a car enthusiast, a design lover, or simply someone who appreciates perfection on four wheels, this car will captivate you from every angle. The 2025 AiredInk ZYROSIMO represents a new chapter in digital automotive design. Although AiredInk is a conceptual manufacturer, the ZYROSIMO has been rendered with such realism and technical depth that it feels like a prototype waiting to roar into life. Its body is sculpted like a piece of moving art, featuring razor-sharp aerodynamics, fluidic surfaces, and a stance that screams speed even at a standstill. The proportions are pure supercar, with a long sweeping hood, low-slung cabin, wide rear haunches, and an aggressive diffuser that looks ready to slice through the air. The color choice, a deep metallic crimson, adds intensity and energy to the car's overall aura. Every line, curve, and shadow seems calculated to play with light. The design language of ZYROSIMO embodies aerodynamic efficiency combined with muscular strength. From the sharp front splitter to the massive rear diffuser and the active rear spoiler, each element serves a purpose, not just for looks, but to deliver real downforce and high-speed stability. Even if it is conceptual, the design principles are rooted in what could realistically be achieved in a high-performance production car. Underneath that breathtaking shell, the AiredInk ZYROSIMO is imagined to be powered by a twin-turbocharged hybrid V8 engine, engineered for both explosive acceleration and efficient energy management. The conceptual specs place it in the hypercar category, around 1,200 horsepower combined with hybrid electric assistance. This means lightning-fast throttle response, seamless power delivery, and the kind of acceleration that pins you to your seat. In theory, the 0 to 100 km/h sprint would take less than 2.4 seconds, and the top speed could easily exceed 400 km/h, placing it among the fastest conceptual vehicles ever designed. What sets the AiredInk ZYROSIMO apart is its focus on futuristic integration of technology with human control. The cockpit design features a fully digital wraparound display system, a minimalistic steering module inspired by fighter jets, and AI-assisted driving intelligence. The digital interface dynamically adjusts to the driver's mood, speed, and track conditions, creating a completely adaptive driving experience. Gesture control and augmented reality overlays allow drivers to access data like tire grip, engine temperature, and live navigation directly within their field of vision. Interior aesthetics combine advanced materials, carbon fiber composites, microfiber leather, titanium accents, and illuminated patterns that react to touch and sound. The cabin feels alive, pulsating with the rhythm of the engine, glowing in sync with the acceleration. Comfort and luxury coexist with race-ready ergonomics. The seats are lightweight but supportive, designed to keep the driver perfectly aligned with the car's center of gravity. The driving position is low, enveloping, and commanding, giving that pure connection between man and machine that defines true supercars. When it comes to handling and dynamics, the ZYROSIMO's theoretical chassis engineering follows a hybrid carbon monocoque structure for extreme rigidity and low weight. An active suspension system predicts road changes using sensors and cameras, instantly adapting damping and ride height. The car's aerodynamic elements are electronically controlled, adjusting flaps, diffusers, and the rear spoiler in real time to optimize cornering grip and straight-line stability. The wheels are forged aluminum wrapped in ultra-performance tires designed for both track and street use. The braking system employs carbon ceramic discs with regenerative braking capabilities to recover kinetic energy during deceleration, feeding it back to the hybrid system for power boosts. The car's stability control and traction systems are inspired by motorsport algorithms, allowing drivers to select between comfort, sport, track, and hyper modes, each transforming the car's personality, from a comfortable grand tourer to a razor-sharp racing beast. Even though AiredInk is a conceptual name, the ZYROSIMO has all the hallmarks of real hypercar engineering. Its balance between performance, beauty, and digital technology sets a benchmark for what the next generation of automotive design could become. The vehicle's proportions suggest a mid-engine layout, optimized weight distribution, and a central powertrain placement, essential for maintaining the perfect balance during high-speed maneuvers. From the rear, the ZYROSIMO is pure aggression. The taillights form a continuous LED bar with split sections that highlight the car's width. The massive diffuser channels air efficiently while framing the triple exhaust ports at the center, hinting at raw mechanical power. Above that, the electronically actuated spoiler deploys to create additional downforce when needed, while also retracting for top speed runs to reduce drag. The lower section, built from exposed carbon fiber, adds contrast to the lustrous red paintwork, reinforcing its motorsport DNA. Moving to the sides, the design incorporates deep air channels that not only cool the engine but also stabilize airflow. The doors are imagined as butterfly-style openings, a symbol of both elegance and performance. The wheels, with multi-spoke black alloys and red brake calipers, perfectly complement the car's aesthetic and performance character. Everything about the ZYROSIMO says precision, intention, and artistry. Inside the digital concept, AiredInk presents an AI co-pilot system capable of learning driver preferences over time. It adapts throttle sensitivity, steering feedback, and even adjusts cabin lighting to match driving conditions. The voice assistant integrates seamlessly with navigation, communication, and performance data, allowing full control without distraction. Future-ready connectivity features like over-the-air updates, cloud-based diagnostics, and holographic projections make the ZYROSIMO feel decades ahead of current production vehicles. In terms of safety, conceptual systems include predictive collision avoidance, adaptive sensor networks, and dynamic chassis reconfiguration, meaning the car could, in theory, shift its weight distribution or suspension geometry in milliseconds to avoid loss of control. The ZYROSIMO is not just designed for speed, it's imagined for survival at high speeds. On the design inspiration side, AiredInk seems to draw cues from iconic hypercars such as the McLaren P1, Ferrari SF90 Stradale, and the Koenigsegg Jesko, blending them with a futuristic digital aesthetic that stands apart. The ZYROSIMO carries the essence of digital art brought to mechanical life, an intersection where creativity meets engineering possibility. As we explore more about its performance concept, it's clear the AiredInk ZYROSIMO isn't just about raw numbers but about the experience it promises. It's about the way the driver connects to the car emotionally and physically. The thrill of hearing the engine note rise, the seamless power delivery of the hybrid system, the visual feast of its sculpted body, and the adrenaline rush that comes with knowing you are in control of something extraordinary. These are sensations that even a conceptual car can inspire. In a world where electric supercars are becoming the norm, AiredInk ZYROSIMO bridges the gap between traditional internal combustion excitement and futuristic electrified performance. Its hybrid system symbolizes the harmony between emotion and evolution. It keeps the passion alive while embracing the next step in technological progress. It's a reminder that the spirit of driving can evolve without losing its soul. If we imagine its performance figures, the car could easily rival or surpass the Hypercar Elite. With 1,200 horsepower, torque figures around 1,100 Nm, and instant hybrid boost, the acceleration curve would be incredibly linear. The car's projected quarter-mile time would likely be around 8.9 seconds, and the braking distance from 100 to 0 km/h under 30 meters, numbers that would redefine limits if realized in reality. Even the digital sound profile of the ZYROSIMO is an artistic masterpiece. The exhaust tone merges mechanical roar with an electric undertone, creating a harmonic fusion that rises with every rev. The cabin acoustics have been virtually tuned to enhance the immersive feel, making every gear shift an event and every corner a moment of connection. Beyond performance, AiredInk ZYROSIMO represents an ideology, a belief that cars are not just transportation but expressions of human potential. The design proves that art and engineering can coexist to create emotion and power in motion. It's a car for dreamers, for those who believe that the future of mobility can still be thrilling and beautiful. The potential market for a car like this would be limited to collectors, enthusiasts, and visionaries who appreciate the fusion of creativity and performance. Even as a concept, the ZYROSIMO inspires automotive designers to think beyond limits, to merge imagination with reality, and to push the boundaries of aerodynamics and technology. As for the price, if this car ever entered limited production, it would undoubtedly carry a hypercar price tag, possibly several $1,000,000. But its value would go far beyond money. It would symbolize innovation, passion, and the endless pursuit of perfection. The AiredInk ZYROSIMO is not just another car, it is a manifestation of what happens when design and technology collide with art and emotion. To sum it up, the 2025 AiredInk ZYROSIMO is a bold vision of what the future of supercars could look like. It merges timeless beauty with next-generation performance and cutting-edge intelligence. Every angle, every surface, every detail speaks the language of speed, precision, and imagination. It's a concept that challenges us to think differently about cars, not as machines, but as art in motion, powered by innovation. So, if you are fascinated by the future of automotive design, stay tuned right here on U.S. Army Zone. We bring you the latest reviews, futuristic concepts, and the evolution of engineering excellence. The AiredInk ZYROSIMO might not yet exist in the real world, but its spirit already fuels the imagination of car lovers everywhere. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 AiredInk ZYROSIMO, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts, and don't forget to subscribe to U.S. Army Zone for more powerful content about the world's most incredible machines. Your support drives us to explore deeper, dream bigger, and bring you the ultimate in automotive storytelling. See you in the next video, right here on U.S. Army Zone, where the passion for power never ends.